Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can use Zapier to update your Airtable records automatically. So for this tutorial we're going to take an example that whenever a new row is added into Google Sheets, our Airtable record gets updated. So to set up this automation, simply go to Zapier. From the left panel, click this create button and then click Zaps button. It will open up a new page. Alright, so in this automation we are going to connect Google Sheets with Airtable. So whenever a new row is added or updated in Google Sheets, Airtable record will be updated automatically. Simply click on trigger and select Google Sheets. In this case, in the trigger event, select new or updated spreadsheet row, which is what we want. Actually, this is the team drive. You can select the first one, this instant one, and then press continue. Here you can select the spreadsheet that you would like to use. Simply select the spreadsheet, and once you select the spreadsheet, simply click on the second module, the action module, and here search for Airtable and select it. Alright, now in Airtable, click on action event, and here you get this option that says update record. This is exactly what we want, and once you do that, you're pretty much all set up. Simply sign into your Airtable account if you haven't already. This is how it's gonna look like. You just have to grant access and it will be connected. Once you do that, your automation is pretty much set up. Simply press this publish button from the top right corner and your automation will be set up and running. So this was a very simple tutorial on how you can update records in Airtable automatically. You can use any other app apart from Google Sheets. You can use Drive or whatever your requirements are. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.